What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 beginner woodworking projects that you can tackle as a brand new beginner. Let's dive in. Well, hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the show. So grateful for your time and your attention. Yeah, I don't know what he's trying to do. Now just back up straight. All right. Back to the video. The number one beginner woodworking project that I would give you would be serving trays. Listen, this is super simple, super easy to do. You cut out a bottom, you put 4 sides on it, put handles on it. There you go. You've got a serving tray. It's not hard to make. You just got to take your time. What I would encourage you to do is figure out how you can make these unique or different. How can you build these or make these in a way that you don't see a lot of people doing? That's what I would encourage you to do. Number 2, this is a really easy beginning woodworking project, and that is to build like little step stools. 10, 12-inch tall step stools, 4 legs with little bracing on the bottom and a top. Very easy to do. It's essentially a mini table. And then you be the first one to test it out. Don't go make your wife test it out, because if you didn't do a good job and she falls, she's not gonna be happy with you, okay? Number 3, this is a really easy project to make, is what I like to call a catch-all. You know, when you come home from work, you got your keys, you got your wallet, you got your phone, you can throw that all into the catch-all. Those are very simple to make. You can get a really nice piece of wood. You know, maybe it's maple, maybe it's walnut, maybe it's white oak, and you can basically create this catch-all, and you can even sell those and sell them for a decent amount. That was number 3. Number 4, very easy beginner woodworking project is wooden signs. Listen, it's super easy to make custom signs. It's very easy to cut out letters. You can do this with a jigsaw. You can do this with a scroll saw. There's lots of different ways to do it, but to make wooden signs, very, very easy to do. You can just make a simple sign and then hand paint it. There's so many different ways to do this. And then number 5, this might be the most challenging out of these 5 that I mentioned, but it's also still very easy to do, and that is to build a simple table design. Like the table that I'm sitting at right now, it has 4 legs, what we call a table skirt, which is just the bracing on the bottom that connects the legs. If we were to pull the top off of this and look down into it, there's 45-degree bracing in the corners for each leg, so it gives it stability, and then we just put a top on it. It looks very complicated, but it's really not. It's connecting 4 legs to each other, putting 45-degree bracing in the corners to solidify those legs some more, and then just putting a top on it. That's a very easy way to get into the furniture game. And yeah, I want to keep this video really short, very straightforward. 5 beginner woodworking projects. Listen, if you are trying to build a woodworking business or a handmade business, you should subscribe to this channel, because that's all we talk about on this channel is how do we build a business? What are the business principles we need to know? What are the projects that we need to take on? What are the projects that we don't need to take on? You should check out. We've got over 150 videos at this point inside the channel. You're going to want to check all of it out. So with that being said, appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one.